Oh wow, I can see the big snail here. Wow, the snail is eating the vegetable. This they're eating the leaf of the vegetable here. Wow, eating now. This is the snail around my house. Now they are eating now. I cannot see their mouth or the tooth, but I can see their eye is here. The eye is here. Thank you for watching my video. I summarize that this is the snail around my house. They are eating the leaf of the green vegetable around my houses. Wow, their mouth like the knife that cut the green leaf of the vegetable.